So you're going to make a material. I have textures that I already have. So I'm going to get some cool dark marble. You don't want to have the path next to it. So you're going to make the bump. Then you're going to want to make the color. So you can have it to filter. And then you're going to want to click on filter to change the color. So that's pretty neat. It's got yellow, purple, pink. I was looking for yellow, like somewhere around that. So boost that up. Maybe darken that down a tad. I don't want that too dark because you want to see it still. Contrast up a little bit. Okay, so then you're going to want to copy this channel and then paste the channel in the bump. And then move the bump a lot up. And then specular, you're going to want the height to go up all the way to the others. Then you go, there's your texture. Move that onto the star. Now let's see what that looks like. See, now we don't have enough light. Okay, so we're going to need to boost the light up to 75. You don't want it to be all the way up because it just gets too bright. See, already you can see. Okay. Now with the star, you want to, like on this layer of what it is, the material, you want to make it cubic so it can have the stuff on the front. Okay, that's nice. So now you want to make another material. Well, you want to copy this material. So you made it again. So you want to click on it, make the color, go to the filter, and make it like a darker, like more orangish. And then you want to put it on the other star. And then make that cubic. And seamless. You want to do that with the other one too. I'll go to that. Seamless. So there you go. Look at that. Looks all nice. So while you have it looking like that, maybe you want to arise. Maybe it looks better like that. No, it doesn't. Oh, I just did something that I didn't want to do. Okay, so I need to go back to these. Click on seamless again because I undid that. Okay, so now your intro should look like this. But that's not all you want to do. You want to make some material for the arise. So I'm going to click on this, get a picture, load image, maybe. What's this? I wonder what this is. Okay, so that's some stone. So I'm going to go to specular. Right off the bat, I'm going to make it high as that. I'm going to copy this channel and paste it into the bump. And then you're going to want to hook that right up there. Maybe make go to the filter on this, and then make it a different color. Maybe just a little bit darker. Okay, so we're not going to change the color because it starts to look like that. So we're just going to boost the hue all the way up, the brightness down a little bit, and the lightness down a little bit, and the contrast up a little bit. Okay, so once we have it looking like that, we're going to drag it over to the text of both of these. Then we're going to render it. And see, you can see all that stuff. So you're going to go back to this, click on seamless on both of them, render it again. It looks different already. But you want to make it cubic on this so you can see the front. And there you go. You got Arise to be defeated. Arise, rise to be defeated. So that looks nice. It's got some bump on there. It's got some specular. So it looks pretty nice. So I can drag out. So this whole null object, we can move this around. See, I got complete control over it. So it's staying like that. But I can start it out as if it's like perfectly around in a circle. So it's moving around. I can, like, this is all one object now. So I can have the, so now we get to the start of actually moving the object into where you can make your intro. So first you're going to have this whole thing, you're going to click on coordinates, and you are going to you're going to put the camera, so you're going to click on the coordinates of here. If you're zooming out, you're zooming in, you're going to zoom all the way in so you can see this little part in here. So you're going to zoom right there, and then you're going to click on the Z and the X. You're going to control click and control click. You might as well control click the Y too. And then you're going to scroll all the way to 50. You're going to zoom out. And then you're going to go down a little bit so it's center. And then you're going to control click all of these again. So it should look like this. And then, see, there you go. You got simple zoom in and zoom out. And then you can make your creativity go from there. You can have, you can turn it and stuff. So if I was to click on the null object again, I could turn it to 180. Well, actually, maybe I can just boost it up. Okay, so you're going to make it go to 900. And then you're going to click on instead of 900, you can make a full rotation. Just go to there. So 180. You're going to make 3 revolutions. And then you're going to click, control click on this R right here, RH. And then now you can see what it looks like from the beginning. Oh, but first you have to, okay, yep, that was my fault. My bad, guys. You're first going to need to show that it's on 0 first. So you're going to need to control click right there on 65. So see, there you go. You got your rotations going from here to here. So now you're going to want to click, and then it rotates. And then, but you might as well make this go up to 110 frames per second, so it can last a little bit longer. So you're going to want to go to the beginning, watch it, render, and then you're done with that. So your intro is made. So then you're going to want to click on this button up here, and then go to General, and just leave it as full render. Output, you're going to lock the ratio, or not lock the ratio, you're going to want to make it 1080 by 720, and that's good for that. You want to make it from step 0 or step 1 to 110. And then you're going to want to go to save it on your desktop or wherever you want to save it. I'm going to save this as Arise on my desktop, and then I'm going to change the format to QuickTime Movie, and you can leave everything else as it is. Multipass doesn't matter, that doesn't matter, that doesn't matter. You want to leave this as this. You can change it lower, but I advise you not to because the quality is a lot better when you leave this in. So then you're going to want to exit out of this and then click on this middle button. And that's when the rendering starts to happen, guys. So you can see that it's going out and it's rendering, and when it is all done rendering, there will be a movie wherever you decide to make it. So there you go, guys. This is a tutorial of how to make a simple intro on Cinema 4D. Thanks.